Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the May 2024 dollar bead box and dollar bead bag to share with you all today. I simply cannot believe that it is almost already May. This year is just flying away from me, I'm telling you. In case you're not familiar, the dollar bead box and the dollar bead bag are both monthly bead subscriptions. If you subscribe to the dollar bead box, you get 12 to 15 carefully selected items with a guaranteed total minimum retail value of $60. The price of the box varies according to how long you sign up for. A 1-month or 3-month plan is $19.50 a month, and a 6-month plan is $18.50 a month. The 3 and 6-month plans come with a membership to the Dollar Bead Club, which is a members-only club that gives you access to their online shop. For a couple of months after you get your subscription, you can order any of the items in the box from their online shop for only $1 each. The Dollar Bead Bag is a separate subscription that you can get in addition to the box or just by itself. And the Dollar Bead Bag is a great way to build up your stash of fire polish beads. You get 4 strands of 4mm fire polish beads and 4 strands of 3mm fire polish beads for $8. So that's $1 a strand, so that's a great deal. And like the box, for a couple of months after you get your subscription, you can order any of the strands for only $1 a strand. But if you just get the bag by itself, you don't get the membership to the Dollar Bead Club. There's also an annual membership you can buy. It's $35 a year, and that would give you access to their online shop, but you wouldn't get the box or the bag. They curate the box and the bag so that all the beads go really well together, so you can pretty much make pieces directly from the box and the bag. You'd probably just need your basic jewelry tools and some bindings and stringing material. I have a coupon code. It's THJ2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you $2 off either the first month of a subscription or an order from their online shop, but you can only use it one time. So I have cut the box open here, but I've not opened it and peeked at it yet, so we're going to peek together. Let's see what pretty beads are in here. I think y'all know by now how much I love this subscription. The Dollar Bead Bag is always on top. Oh my goodness, those are some pretty colors. Beautiful fire polish beads. And then in the bag, we'll take a little peek in here. See a little peek of what's in there. Those are some pretty beautiful beads in there. They're always beautiful. So hold on, let me get everything straightened out and organized, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to start with the Dollar Bead Bag, and these beads are just beautiful like they always are. The 3mm beads, the first strand here is jonquil, so that's a really pale yellow. And there are 50 beads on each strand. Both the 4mm and the 3mm have 50 beads on each strand. It's a real pretty light pale yellow. And then the next one is Crystal Yellow Green Maria. And that's just really pretty. I love all the colors going on in there. Those are just beautiful. Crystal Yellow Green Maria. Just slide out of my hands. I don't know why. They want to get away from me. I guess they know I'm going to cut them apart and use them, and they want to stay on the strand. That's just really beautiful. And then next is, you would either get brick red or crystal ruby luster, and I'm pretty sure this is the crystal ruby luster. It's definitely not brick red. That's just beautiful. So shiny. Sparkly, beautiful red color. And then next is Siam Satin. And that's just really pretty. I've never seen that color before. That's just beautiful. goes so well with all these other beads. And then in the 4mm strands, the first is you would either get olive green half copper or half brass half copper. And I'm pretty sure this is half brass half copper. I don't see any green in there. And those are just really, really pretty. I love how those sparkle and shine. Y'all know how I am about sparkle and shine. And those just really, really do sparkle and shine. They're just beautiful. And then next is matte emerald. That's just a beautiful green color, and I know I like sparkle and shine, but I love the matte beads too. I just love all the beads. I want to have all the beads. But this is just a really pretty color of green. It's beautiful. And then next is watermelon or matte watermelon, and I'm pretty sure this is the matte watermelon. So that's just a really pretty mix of green and I guess red, like a watermelon would be. It's really pretty. And then last in the 4mm strands is opaque red or matte opaque red coral. And I think I'm going to guess that this is matte opaque red coral. It doesn't really look like just opaque red to me, so I'm going to assume this is matte opaque red coral. And that's just really beautiful. I've never had that color before either. Just really, really pretty. Really pretty with those matte green beads next to it there. Just beautiful. So that's the dollar bead bag. So hold on, I'll get the box and get all that sorted out, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm starting with the strands here that are in the box. And this is the little letter that comes in it. It says, "Welcome to this month's box of creativity and inspiration. We've curated a fun collection of colors, shapes, and styles for you to mix, match, and play with to find the perfect combinations for your designs. If you need more items, they're only $1 each in the online shop. The May exclusive offer for our dollar bead box subscribers is Chinese crystals focused on nature. Place an order anytime between now and midnight, June 30th, and save 10%. Enter nature in the search bar at the top of the page to see all the selections. Use code NATURE10 with your order of $20 or more." And then down here it has all their social media places. And then on the back it has a list of everything that's in the box. And the first thing is a strand of 4mm check glass duck beads. The color is topaz, and there are 50 pieces. This is a really pretty color, topaz. I'll be zoomed in too much there. Got a little carried away. It's a really pretty color of topaz. And then the next strand is 3 by 5mm check glass gem cut rondelles in light topaz, and there are 25 of these. And that's really pretty color of another different shade of topaz. And then the next strand is a strand of check glass duck beads 6mm light topaz, and there are 25 pieces of these. So that's, I really like it when they send the same color in different sizes. Makes it easier to design with, especially if you decide to do bead weaving. It's makes it a lot easier. That's a really pretty color of topaz. And we got a lot of topaz going on here. And then next are some check glass bicone beads, 5mm. There's 30 pieces, and the color is red, brown, and ochre. So that's a pretty mix of colors there. Red, brown, and ochre. Just really beautiful. And then the next ones, I went ahead and cut them off the strand so you could see the shape of them better. They're 4mm check glass. Oh, those, I forgot to say, the bicones, there were 30 of those. These are 4mm check glass Orion beads, jet black. There are 30 pieces, and they're like, they've got 4 little points on them there, like that. And I couldn't tell with them on the strand exactly what the shape was, so I cut them off so I could show them to y'all better. A little 4-pointed bead there. Those are pretty little beads. And I think I said there's 30 of those. And then last in the strand is a 5 by 8mm check glass donut beads, red with black and violet, and there are 25 of these. And those are just really pretty, like little donuts. Make me hungry for donuts, and I can't have donuts because I'm diabetic. I'm not sure that they figured out a way to make a sugar-free donut yet. If they did, it probably wouldn't be good. Those are really pretty. So hold on, I'll get the other items that are in the box sorted out, and I'll be back. Okay, I've got the additional items out here now. And the first one is 4 by 14mm check glass coin beads, opaque red, and there are 4 pieces. And these are really pretty little coin beads. Like that. It's really, really pretty. Lots you can do with these. You can string them, or you could do some brick stitch around them. Just really pretty little coin beads. And then next are 6 pieces, 10mm check glass fire polish beads, jet. The color is jet. And I love these big, oh, I love any size fire polish beads, but sometimes I use these bigger ones as a clasp on a bracelet. Those are just really pretty. It's beautiful. And then next are 6 pieces, 10mm check glass tabular square beads, opaque red travertine is the color on these. These are just really pretty. Just love that finish on there. Beautiful, beautiful beads. And then next, I'm going to show you both of these together because they're the same. They're just different colors. 3 by 5mm check glass daisy beads. And these are cyan and these are white opal. And that's really cool. You get 2 different beads that say exactly the same shape and size in 2 different colors. That's really neat. Beautiful colors. And then next is 2 pieces, 12 by 25mm check glass tabular oval beads, and the color is jet. And these are really pretty. I just love that design on there. The same on both sides. The hole goes like that. Those are just beautiful. And then next are, I'm going to show you these two, both these together too, because they're the same too, except they're different colors. 7 by 10mm check glass twisted oval beads, and these are dark red and these are green opal. So again, it's the same exact bead, same exact shape, just different colors, which is really cool. See if I can get a pin in one of them so you can see where the hole is. Hole goes through there like that. So those are really pretty. And then next are, let's see, 2 check glass heart leaf beads, 11 by 16 millimeter, alabaster Picasso with red. And those are just really pretty. I think we got some of these before in a different color. The hole goes down through there like that. Those would be really pretty on a pair of earrings. It's really, really pretty. And then next are 2 dyed bamboo coral chip beads, 10 by 14 millimeter, and the color is red. So these are chip beads, so they're both different. They're not exactly the same shape. But that's really cool. And then next is a tiara cast. Tiara cast bird in tree charm, 12 by 17 millimeter, antique silver plated. And that's really pretty. It's not double-sided, but probably won't be able to get very many tiara casts for long. That's really nice. And then the last thing is 8 to 12 by 12 to 24 millimeter Nepalese handmade 6-layer chevron. I don't know if I'm saying that right or not, but Nepalese handmade 6-layer chevron bead. And that's really cool. I just really love that design. That's just a really pretty bead. Goes really well with all these other colors we've got here. So that's everything. So hold on, let me get it all together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, so there's everything in the May 2024 dollar bead box and dollar bead bag. These up here are the beads from the bag, and all this is from the box. These are some beautiful, colorful beads to work with. I can't wait to see what I can make with these beads. I hope you all come back and watch me and bead along with me. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. I also sell gift cards and some extra beads and findings that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope you all have a great day. Take care.